Hey everyone, David Storm here with Picklocks.com, and today we're going to be picking this Schlage Everest. We're going to do so with SWICK. We have our SWICK pick here, and I'm using the Dev Deep Hook, SS Dev Deep Hook there. And SWICK ships with a top of the keyway tension wrench like so. And it's pretty thin, so what I did is I put a bend in it. So if you were out and about and you needed to pick a Schlage Everest, this is one of the ways you could do it. You could put a little bend in that tension tool. And then we're going to run that right along the bottom. And what that's going to do is it's going to keep that check pin out of our way. So now we can put our flat top of the keyway tension tool up here, our turning tool up here like so. And apply a little pressure, and let's go ahead and get picking. Little click on 5. Kind of a mushy click on 4 there. Try that again. I think we got 4. Let's move on. No. Alright, let me put a little more tension on that. Let's try this again. Go to the back here. Let's make sure it's reset. Pretty good click on 5. Three. Nothing on 2 or 1 here. Let's go back to the back. Let's reset that. Okay, good click there. That was 6. 5. 4. 3. I think that was 3. That might have been 2. I think that was 2. Let's double check that our check pin is out of our way. And there we are. That front pin. All right. So our little holder there for that check pin worked well. Go ahead and keep this in frame and get it gutted. Oops, wrong side. think that's the right one, isn't it? Oh, it was the right side. My bad. All right, let me hold the front here so it doesn't. All right, angle this about like that. And I think this one should do it. Is that a flat? Yeah. So I'll just run this through. Did not have the key in there, so we'll have to catch that check pin as it falls out. And there it is. We'll let that fall out first. Here's the check pin. Check pin and the spring right there. So put these side by side. There we are. And starting with first pin. Second pin. Third pin. Fourth pin. Fifth pin. And the sixth pin. Go ahead and pull out these springs. Whoops. Well done. All right. I'll just put the spring up there. And I think that's the top pin. Yeah. All right. Doesn't really matter where these go too much. There's the other top pin. And the other spring. Try to be a little cleaner on the next one here. There we are. All right. Oh, one last spring. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's this? Uh-oh. Where's the sixth? One. Where's the sixth top pin? Oh, there it is. Guess it fell out over here. All right. So there's our 6 top pins. The check pin spring. Little magnetic there. So that's it. That one is picked. And you can take a look at the pins in that. Nothing special. It's just 6 of them. And really what makes this the most challenging is not even the check pin. It doesn't even really come into play. What really makes this challenging for me is that keyway. Because it jags up to the right like that, just having your pick in there and having to flex it around that to get those to go up is the most challenging part, but it's not that challenging and pretty low security all in all. But this will get me my green belt hopefully in the Locksport community, and that'll be a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this pick. And again, it was all done with SWICK here. So yeah, hopefully I can keep picking a lot of locks with this tool for the Locksport community. If you have any questions, please post them down below. And for Picklocks.com, I'm David Storm.